By the end of this video, you will know why for some companies it becomes very easier to expand their business because of the implementation of a CRM, and on the other hand, why do some companies really struggle with their CRM. This is a very hidden variable which most of the companies, especially startups and mid-sized businesses, ignore. Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. I am Chandan, a Salesforce consulting partner and marketing automation consultant. Today I am diving into a topic that seems to be one of the major concerns for small businesses and mid-sized businesses. That is the CRM complexity and how to make this complexity or how to make a CRM simple. Also, do not forget to check my book on marketing automation. It's available on Amazon. Check out the barcode to get the book and click below to reach other free resources. So without much further ado, let's find out the secret. So you are a small business owner looking for a perfect CRM, but after you implement the CRM, you and your team are constantly struggling to get the job done. Sure, features matter a lot, and we do focus a lot on the features when we are, of course, going to buy a CRM or going to get subscribed to a CRM. But let me tell you, the user interface is the unsung hero, and that exactly is the secret I am talking about further in this video. So the user interface is the unsung hero that can make or break your CRM experience and the overall business, performance. First of all, understand what is a user interface. A user interface is a look and feel of as well as the navigational structure of the CRM or any cloud-based or desktop system that helps you get your job done easily or maybe in a difficult manner. The more complicated it is, the longer it will take you to achieve your daily tasks and of course in turn business objectives. The UI plays a very important role in putting you at ease with doing business or using a particular system to meet your business objectives. So let's look at the top reasons why you should consider the UI of the CRM or the user interface of the CRM. Let me start with one of my experience. A client of mine subscribed to a CRM which was famous, but it was very complicated. It resulted them in having separate training for their team. This added to their costs and it required a lot of time for the team to get used to CRM. There was a lot of frustration that also got added. This happened right after they implemented the CRM. They didn't look at these points where they were actually looking at the CRM when they were hunting for the CRM. So ease of adoption is an important point. You don't have time for extensive training and neither does your team. Our user-friendly interface makes onboarding a breeze, ensuring everyone can hit the ground running. There was another client who had to refer to multiple documents, YouTube videos and other training materials for each and every feature that they wanted to use, because a training is not helpful when it comes to the real tasks. Training is just for the reference. When it comes to do the real tasks, you have to refer to some of the documentation or maybe you refer to some of the training and try to make sense of your training to achieve your objectives. So efficiency and productivity is point number 2. Time is money, especially for small businesses. A well-designed UI, it actually streamlines workflow, saving time and boosting overall productivity of the company. The third point is the reduced errors. Mistakes do happen, but a clear and logical interface reduces the likelihood of errors in data entry and navigation. Let's look at some more real-world examples. Imagine this, you are a growing business and your team needs to scale up. A user-friendly CRM ensures new members can quickly adopt without the headache of the complex interface. Or maybe you can picture this, you are on the go, meeting clients. You need to access customer information on your mobile. A responsive and user-friendly mobile interface is a game changer. It helps the team access the information faster and on the go. So as you can see, when you are on the hunt of a CRM, don't just look at the features or the pricing. Pay very close attention to the user interface. It's the key to efficiency, productivity, and overall success. Ask your team to go through the demo and use it before you actually go ahead and make the purchase, because these teams are very busy and they are very pressed with their work. So it's very important that you should let them know beforehand how the CRM and how they are feeling about the overall look and feel of the CRM or even doing their daily tasks. So yes, don't forget to scan the barcode and get the book on Amazon. See you in my next video with more information about how to implement automation in your business. Happy automating.